Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Sylvie from learnhowtogetascholarship.com. So today you are going to learn how to apply to the Quebec Merit Scholarship. This is a scholarship to Canada which is offered at 3 levels. You have like the vocational level, the technical level, and the university level. I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step process on how to apply for all of these scholarships. This is Sylvie from learnhowtogetascholarship.com. So today we are going to be talking about the Quebec Merit Scholarship, and I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step application procedure. So this is the blog, learnhowtogetascholarship.com. This is how the blog is, and as usual we are going to go to new post, and each time I take you through new post, that is because I want to encourage you all to join the mailing list. There are so many benefits to joining the mailing list. Each time I publish a scholarship, you are going to be informed. For example, the scholarship that we are going to be talking about, it was first published like a couple of days ago, and then I did another video where I mentioned it a couple of days ago. So if you were on the mailing list, you would have already been informed about it. So I'm just going to click here, the top 10 fully funded scholarships for international students. Remember, I try to focus as much as possible on scholarships, fully funded scholarships. Oh, and by the way, you all can book a consultation with me, you guys. If you want me to work with you one-on-one, go ahead and book a consultation. So today we are talking about the Government of Quebec Merit Scholarship, right? So as usual, I'm just going to come here. This is how you read through all scholarships, you guys. Click here, click on the link for more. So it's going to take you to the official page of the scholarship, right? So this is the official page where they advertise the scholarship. And this scholarship, you have to remember, it is divided into 3 main parts. You have the vocational training students, this one, vocational training students, and then you have the technical training students at college level, and then you have the university students. So this scholarship is divided into 3 parts. If I go to the vocational training students and I click on because this is how to apply, if I click here on how to apply, like the link that they provide, you're going to realize that the deadline for this particular scholarship actually passed. You see, it says the 2020 competition is now closed. The information below remains accessible to familiarize yourself with the 2021 competition. So the deadline has passed. Of course, this is 2021 already, but it has not yet been made open for people to participate in. So this is not what we are going to focus on. We are going to focus on this second part, which is the technical training college students and the university students. So let us start with the technical training college students. First, you have to make sure that there is a list of countries here. So when you come, make sure that your country is on the list before you go ahead to apply, because these fully funded scholarships, they have requirements. So it is extremely important that you make sure that your country is on the list. Then you, of course, you come down to how to apply. What I want you all, and the reason why I want to show you all this process is because first, the application to this particular scholarship is kind of complicated. They have 2 routes. So you have, it says that for those that want to go to public colleges, if you want to study in a public college, you apply through this Fédération des Cégeps, I think that's how it's pronounced. And if you want to go to a private college, you apply to this Association des Collèges Privés de Québec. So there are 2 different routes of applying. So let's go to the public schools route, and then let's just click the private schools route just to see what happens there. So what comes up is the same announcement of the scholarship, but in French. So okay, I'm just going to scroll down to, okay, this is it, formation collégiale technique. So this is the same program. I'm just going to come here. Faire une demande is like apply. So I'm going to click here on, this is the public school application, and then this is the private school application. So let me go to the public school routes. You see, it says recrutement. It's in French, but when you go there, try your best to pull through. You'll be able to pull through. That's why I'm actually showing you, because it's in French, but you can apply if you want to study in English. Then it says étudiants internationaux. So this is like international students. If you wish to apply, you click here. So I'm going to click where it says we should click, and it comes up with this CEGEP's website. So you have nos programmes d'études, which is our programs about the CEBEC itself, and about Quebec, admissions and immigration, if you need any help, and then COVID-19 information. So I'm just going to go to, they have the program. So you have the formation, the technique. These are the kind of programs they have. They have this technical formation, they have the pre-university formation, and then they have short courses. So these are the 3 programs that they have. If I just come here and I click on admission and immigration, since what matters most is focusing on the admission, I'm just going to come here. It says admission and immigration, right? And then it says how to apply from overseas, like from abroad. So I'm going to click on demand d'admission. This French of mine. Okay, so it says here you should choose the country where you're from, right? It says choisir un pays. So I'm going to scroll down here. Let's just say I pick Cameroon because that is where I'm from. So if you're applying, pick your country. Make sure your country is on the list. When I pick Cameroon, and then et vous voudrez étudier au... Alright, now these are like the particular programs, but I'm not yet sure. So I'm just going to go down here, and it gives me the deadline, right? 15th of May 2021. So you still kind of have time. That's why you should start now. Then you can see now the various like colleges. It says où faire ma demande, like where do you want to apply to? So you have this Champlain Regional College, Champlain Regional. These are like different campus Saint Lambert, campus Saint Lawrence, the Dawson College. So these are different schools, right? Let's just say I want to go to this, let's just pick the first one, Champlain Regional College, campus de Saint Lambert. Okay, I've picked that one, and then it comes here. You see it's all in English. It's actually all in English. So you see it says like the March deadline is the first deadline, and the second deadline is in November. So you come here, of course, you read about it. It has information for international applicants, also information for international applicants, documentation that are required for international applicants. So when you come here, read through each of them, and then of course there's also information here, and on these future students is going to tell you about it, and then apply. So come here and you'll be able to apply. So regardless of the fact that you're going to see this page and all the pages before it in French, just try to pull through. You'll reach a place where it's going to be in English. Let me just click the next school and see how it comes through. You see, admissions for regular day programs. So you are able to actually see there are English language programs in this place, although you have to start with applying through like a French program. Then you see arts, literature, communication, science program, and all of these things. So you can definitely go ahead. This is for the technical students, right, which was going through the public schools. So now let's go to the private schools, the Association de Collèges Privés de Québec. So if you want to go to a private school, this is the website that you have to come to. And I try to read through because this is their calendar for 2021. These are the various programs, first of all, that they have. These are the various programs, and then they have their calendars. I looked through most of these calendars, and most of them, their deadlines already passed. So most of the private schools, you see 11 September 2020, 11 September 2020. So I looked through, and most of them, their deadlines have passed. And then you see this one, 21st of January 2021. So the deadline already passed. So this applying through the private schools, I think you can only do it from next year, but this is where you apply Association de Collèges Privés de Québec. This is the route to apply. So I'm going to head back a bit. We've spoken about the technical training college programs. The main thing to remember is you can apply through the private colleges or public colleges, and they all have 2 routes. That's the main thing. When you go there, you'll be able to apply. So now let's move on. Let's go to university students. So if you're a university student, you can come through to this program for doctorate studies, postdoctorate studies, and then short-term research or professional development scholarships, right? So these are the ones that are available. Of course, you come down to how to apply. So you can, before you apply for the scholarship, you have to first of all apply through a university. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to click university, and then it's going to show me now. These are the list of all the universities in Canada, that in Quebec, that are available and are participating in the program. So when you scroll right through here, you're going to see, I think it's like 18 universities that you can apply to. So of course there are universities that are only in French. For example, if I click this École d'administration publique, it's going to open up here future students information. And if you go here, let's just say I click on the programs that are offered, right? Everything comes up in French. Everything comes up in French. So of course it's Canada. It's Canada. You will see programs in English and in French. Make your choice. Don't run away from the French, but make your choice. Okay, because you see this one, École nationale d'administration publique, was all in French. But if I come to, let's say I click on McGill here. If I click on McGill, let's say I want to apply here. Of course, the information, it is still in French. But when I click programs offered, right, it tells you that we are very sorry. Henceforth, the programs are not available in French. Everything is going to be available only in English, right? Only in English. So you see, if you click on it, all the programs that are going to come henceforth are in English. Business and economics, education, engineering, environment, health sciences, humanities, languages, right? So let's just say I click the first one that comes up here. I want to apply to business and economics programs. Then I come here, let me say I choose what? Global food security. I want to study global food security. It gives me information about it, gives me prerequisites like what I had to have studied before I'll be allowed to study this program. Proof of English proficiency, you have to submit that, and then you click on apply now. When you click on apply now, it takes you to this page, how to apply in 7 easy steps. You go through them, and then you're ready to apply for it. So that is how you can apply for these scholarships in Canada. The vocational study programs, the deadlines have passed, but the technical training programs through the public universities are still available, and the PhD programs and short-term programs are still available. So go ahead, apply for it if you are an international student and you want to go study in Canada. I hope this was helpful. If there is any question to guide you through the application process, I can actually help you all, because this is in French, so maybe it's going to be hard for some people to navigate. Let me know in the comment section. Do you need help? Do you need help with it? Let me know in the comment section, and remember to subscribe, you guys. I am going to see you in the next one. Cheers. If you find this video valuable, please do well to hit the subscribe icon, and let's discuss in the comment section. Are you interested in going to study in Canada?